Hello students, welcome to Share Science classes. Today we will be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. We have question number 30 in hand. With reference to the variation of molar conductivity with concentration for a strong electrolyte in an aqueous solution, the correct statement is, and we have four options given to us. And studying the four options, we see that the asymmetry effect and electrophoretic effect are the two key points we need to consider, and their relation with the molar conductivity will give us the answer. So what is the asymmetry effect? Under an applied voltage, some ions develop irregular distribution or asymmetric distribution of ion cloud around them. This leads to the decrease in mobility of ions and hence leads to decrease in molar conductivity. So basically asymmetry effect leads to decrease in molar conductivity, so studying the options we have, we can definitely say that option number B, which says asymmetry effect contributes to increase in molar conductivity, is incorrect, and for the same reason as this option number D is also incorrect. So we have successfully eliminated option B and D, and the answer will be between A and C. So which one will be the answer depends on the electrophoretic effect. So what is electrophoretic effect? Electrophoretic effect is the tendency of the applied potential to move the ion cloud in a solution This in turn leads to increase in mobility of ions. So hence this increases the molar conductivity. So in short, electrophoretic effect leads to increase in molar conductivity. So studying the options, option number A says that asymmetry effect contributes to decrease in molar conductivity, whereas the electrophoretic effect contributes to increasing molar conductivity, and hence option number A will be the correct option. So the answer is A. Thank you.